Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to save your PowerPoint presentation as a Pptx file, the standard and most compatible format for modern PowerPoint versions. Let's get started. First, open PowerPoint and make sure your presentation is ready to save. If you've already been working on a project, just go to the File tab located at the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, click Save As. Now, choose the location on your computer where you'd like to save the presentation, for example, your desktop, documents, or a specific folder. Next, in the Save As type drop-down menu, make sure to select PowerPoint Presentation *.pptx. This is the default format for PowerPoint files created in newer versions, and it ensures full compatibility with features like animations, transitions, and embedded media. After that, give your file a name, something meaningful like Final Presentation, and click Save. And that's it. You've successfully saved your PowerPoint presentation as a Pptx file. From now on, you can open it easily in PowerPoint, share it with others, or upload it to platforms like Google Drive or Microsoft OneDrive. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.